All right, we're out of Wolf Creek. A lot of people out. Good to go?
Yeah.
Head that way. Wolf Creek got another foot of snow, so we're up here today enjoying what might be our last ride of the season. Sawyer and I discovered a survival shelter, so we are going to head out there and show you guys this cabin, and then we are going to go up Treasure Mountain. Sawyer's going to give you the tour of the cabin. Here you go, Sawyer. People have been digging it out to maintain access. Sawyer is going to slide down and show you inside. People have made lots of tools and hung them on the wall. The temperature down there is warmer. This is a good spot to stop and hang out for a little while. It is impressive to see such a well-built structure out here that can withstand this amount of snow load. Does anyone know the history of this shelter? Alright, now we are making our way to the top of Treasure Mountain. Ever since we got the snowmobiles, I've wanted to make that climb. We tried it for the first time last week, and the views were incredible, and the climb was really fun. It was a surprise to discover a bowl at the base just before the steep climb to the top. Where the going down was steep, we had to approach casually to make sure other sleds were not coming up. There is no stopping once you start that descent. We were able to climb it for the first time a week before, and the views were incredible. The climb starts out along a cliff edge in the husk of old trees. Once you emerge from tree line, you see a long opening that approaches a large bowl, just below the peak of Treasure Mountain.
Last time we went along the cliff the whole way up, it was terrifying.
The unexpected part of this was getting to the edge of tree line and seeing the rock bowl. When you get to the top, it's relatively flat with a small climb to get to the highest point you can get to by sled. The view of the mountain range is so expansive and broad. This is definitely the best spot to get off the sleds and take pictures. What do you think? You're at the top. You see the terminals over there. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. That's pretty cool.
kind of want to try just getting up to that flat spot. They're all climbing that thing. I might kind of go check it out and see.
Alright.
After taking in the view, we weren't sure we were going to make it to the final hill climb or not. It's steep, but we couldn't resist the temptation to complete the entire trail. So off we went. The final climb was worth it. I really wish the camera would show exactly how steep and vast it is. To get down, we had to come down a fairly steep hill. I'm so glad we made it to the top again today because the season is coming to a close, it feels like. And it feels like we really are maxing out the terrain available to us and pushing our skills a little further every time we come out.
That is sketch.
Yeah, that's pretty sketch. Oh well. You want to go down? This is the drop. You can see how kind of steep it is. It's yeah, that's a good view. Good. Good. Now where to? You want to go to the meadow? Some climbs? Meadow? Okay. So, there you can look out right here. But the trail just kind of goes this way and down. You can see the sign through there. That's where the dirt bike trail, the single track trail drops off. So, kind of come up and join that. Go down again. Because we're not leaving any tracks. And I'm getting hot.
We really wanted to take the time to enjoy our ride today. Being in the backcountry and pushing these rebuilt sleds is so much fun and unique to any other winter activities that we do. I'm really happy with how well the sleds are running. Usually at the end of season, I have a list of repairs and modifications that need to happen over the summer. This year's different. We are ending the season with nothing broken. We hope to get out one or two more times, but if not, they'll be ready to go next season as the snow flies next year.
Right up. That was fun. We're getting all over the place here. It's nice. So we're up here. We've been down there. We've been way over here and around. We're doing pretty good. Let's hit it. I'll follow you. The snow's actually loosening up a little bit now. It's kind of nice. It was about 40 degrees when we got here. Sawyer! Where'd he go? Haha. you're gonna back up. It's like 3D jet skiing or something for people who don't have snow like this. That's pretty cool. Gotta go up now. Kind of see, we just did that climb up there, and we're up on this ridge, and we came down. Here's some people coming down now.
I want to come see how the paddle is over here, see if it was deep.
Yeah, it's not.
No.
Not too good. That was fun, climbing up through there and coming back down. Yeah. But it's like, that's so firm, the sleds are not running as cool as they typically do. Here's someone coming down.
I think the snowboard area could be up there where those guys were climbing up where we went down.
Oh yeah?
That really steep hill.
Yeah.
Going off that little cornice maybe.
Yeah.
Let's find our way out of here.
Thanks for watching. Comment and tell us about your winter activities.